One of the things that I got from ToyCon 2019 was this. And I couldn't wait to show you what's inside. That's what we're going to do today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is not my usual content. I usually make educational and motivational videos. Kung totoo siya, medyo motivational din ito because this is in part me fulfilling some of my childhood dreams. And one of those is owning collectibles and toys na ganito. Kagaya nitong kay Reese O'Brien na Tiny Ghost series. This one is really special kasi ito yung Philippine edition. Limited yung run and makukuha mo lang siya sa ToyCon sa Philippines. And when I was there, I decided to get this for myself and for my collection. And nakaseal pa siya hanggang ngayon. Because yes, I am a sucker for delayed gratification. Mahilig ako maghintay ng matagal para sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero sana yung ibang mga bagay-bagay na hinihintay, hindi naman din ganun katagal. Pero sanay tayo doon at kaya natin magtiis. Kaya ito ay bubuksan natin ngayon lang. So if you're not into this kind of content, don't worry kasi I have a bunch of other new lessons that I've already posted. You can click right here for a different one. Baka hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, yun na lang yung panoorin nyo. Pero if you are interested to see what's inside, like I am, I'm actually very excited right now. And a bunch of you na nag-request din dun sa video na yun na buksan ko ito, bubuksan natin siya together. Alright? Now, in order for me to open this, we're going to use my handy-dandy cutter para hindi naman siya masira at uuntuyin natin siya. And I hope you enjoy unboxing this with me. Okay? So, tingnan natin to. Now, the thing with collectible items is you have to be really careful when it comes to the packaging. Hopefully, kasi again, minsan may resale value sila. You have to keep the conditions as mint as possible. Pag sinabing mint, ibig sabihin, original dun sa kung paano mo siya makukuha kung bagong bili mo lang siya. Now, when I got this Tiny Ghost na collectible, it only cost me 2,000 pesos to buy it. Now, it may sound like a big amount, but for this particular na collectible na Tiny Ghost, hindi naman, sobrang reasonable actually nung presyo na yun. Kasi nga, exclusive siya. And at the time na I'm filming this, I actually checked on eBay kung magkano siya binibenta normally. Nasa $150, $170 na if bibilin nyo siya ng resale. Ibig sabihin, from yung 2,000 ko na investment, nasa $170 na siya. So, hindi lang siya doble nung una kong binili. So, yun yung thing with ganitong klaseng mga toys or collectibles. If you keep them for long enough, they actually increase in value. Okay? So, yun. Nakakatuwa lang. Pero, yun nga iniisip ko yung minsan like, if ako yung tipo na hardcore na i-invest dito sa ganito, should I buy multiples and then keep them and maybe sell one or two, diba? And keep just one for my collection, no? Pero habang wala pa tayo sa ganong estado, dito muna tayo dun sa kung ano yung meron lang ako. Okay? So, bubuksan lang natin siya. So, one of the tricks when you're unboxing things na ayaw mong masira yung box would be to use this part right here. And then, i-wedge mo lang siya pataas para hindi masira yung pinaka-box niya. Okay? So, I'm doing it dito sa side na to. Yan. Okay, so basically walang crease pa rin sa top. Diba? Buo pa rin yung box. Hindi siya masisira. So, if you open it like this, you will see yung pinaka-plastic na protective packaging niya. So, hilahin lang natin yung pinaka-protective packaging niya. Yan. Alright. So, ito yung box. So, let's just set it inside. Right there. Yeah. Here. And let me show you what's inside. Yan. So, ito na yung Tiny Ghost. Nandun pa rin siya sa kanyang plastic na covering. Tatanggalin lang natin to. Yan. So, just again, being very careful not to damage any of it. Yan. To pull out natin na siya. So, this is what it looks like. Alright. So, it's very nice. Philippine edition talaga kasi meron tayo nung sun, nung stars, nung tatlong stars natin, and then yung Philippine colors na blue, and then yung red sa ilalim. So, ito-twist ko lang siya just so you can see it all around. Ito yung common na Tiny Ghost na silhouette. Pero again, painted siya and styled based sa Philippine flag. So, that's what's so special about this one. Kasi exclusive siya for yung Philippine Toy Con in 2019. So, thoughts on this figure right here? I think it's a genuine collectible. Inisip ko pa kung I'll keep it inside the box or not. But it's really, really nice kasi, di ba? I mean, just looking at that. So, you'll probably see that in my background. So, susunod pang mga videos. Kasi napapansin nyo, I do change these things up. So, what we have here now are si Jollibee, no? Glow in the dark, si Jollibee na barong, tsaka si regular na Jollibee. And here we have Kapitana naman from Happy Garahe. So, yeah, this is a great addition to my collection. And again, the thing with this is it increases in price. So, kung ibebenta mo siya ngayon, medyo mataas na siya. Pero I would rather actually just keep it in my collection. It's a kind of frustration din, or ano ba, desire when I was younger to have toys. And yeah, I'm just really happy that I get to do that right now. So if there's one thing that you can take away from this, especially if you're watching and you're younger pa, you're in school or a fresh grad or anything like that, nasa ganun kayong klase ng age range, don't be so sad about things that you didn't have when you were a kid. I guess motivation would be to use that want or that feeling and turn that into action. So work hard for your dreams, alam niyo yun. Do your best in whatever industry you land in para hopefully someday, diba, with saving enough money, you can buy things then that you want on the side. So, I guess that's what happened here today. And I'm really happy to have this tiny ghost right here. Ang ganda naman siya, diba? And I hope na-enjoy nyo rin yung pagtingin nyo sa kanya, no? Ang cute eh. Diba? Filipino na Filipino. Yeah. So, hindi siya nakakasawa tingnan. No. So, magiging part na siya ng collection ko. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I guess if you want more unboxing videos, more about my collection, my toys, my well, the stuff that I like and collect, let me know in the comments below. Like this video if you do like this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell icon, and don't worry if you're just into the mga lessons and stuff like that. There will be more videos coming up soon. So this is just a little bit of a respite, parang ano lang, pahinga lang dun sa puro lessons kasi pinag-usapan natin. And of course, for those of you guys who want a bit of an insight into who I am as a person and yung personal life ko and my likes. So, I hope na enjoy nyo pa rin siya. So, thank you guys for watching. As we always say dito sa team, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.